Buying a house in the countryside can be problematic. Maintenance, refurbishments, but not so with Garstang House. This is a new build. The stonework actually is from the original property that stood here many years before. There are so many features and benefits to this property, I can't begin to tell you about them all. However, the builder will commit to tens of thousands of pounds worth of finishings, such as flooring of your choice and the kitchen of your choice. Can you imagine, all year round, no matter what the weather, living in such idyllic surroundings?